35 left approach.
Turn left heading 020, maintain 7000 until established on the localizer. Clear dials runway 35 left, WestJet 238.
Roxanne 33, continuous file, expect the GPS.
Calgary approach, WestJet 112, with you at 14,400.
WestJet 112, radar contact, say approach request.
Calgary approach, WestJet 3579. WestJet 112 is 23 nautical miles northwest of Turner Valley at 14,100 feet. Request denials approach runway 35 left of Calgary International.
Turn right heading 350, Air Canada 188 Victor Alpha. Air Canada 188 Victor Alpha, report airport in sight. Airport in sight, Air Canada 188 Victor Alpha. WestJet 4532, turn left heading 010. Air Transat 1233, turn left heading 160, descend and maintain 7000.
Turn left heading 010, WestJet 4532.
Turn left heading 160, descend and maintain 7000, Air Transat 1233.
Air Canada 188 Victor Alpha, clear visual approach runway 35 right. Air Canada 188 Victor Alpha, contact Calgary Tower on 118.7. WestJet 112, continuous file, expect the Isles approach runway 35 left of Calgary International.
Roger, WestJet 112.
WestJet 4532, turn left heading 020, descend and maintain 7000 until established on the localizer. Clear dials runway 35 left approach.
Turn left heading 020, descend and maintain 7000 until established on the localizer. Clear dials runway 35 left, WestJet 4532.
American 139, turn right heading 250.
Turn right heading 250, American 139.
American 139, expect vectors for the Isles approach runway 35 right of Calgary International.
Calgary approach, Air Canada 279 Heavy, with you at 6300. Roger, American 139. Executing missed approach, Air Canada 279 Heavy.
Air Canada 279 Heavy, turn right heading 140, maintain 7000. Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie, descend and maintain 8000.
Descend and maintain 8000, Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie. Turn right heading 140, maintain 7000, Air Canada 279 Heavy.
Air Transat 1233, reduce speed to 200 knots.
WestJet 3579 is 6 nautical miles southeast of Vulcan at 18,000 feet, requesting GPS approach runway 35 right at Calgary International. Reduce speed to 200 knots, Air Transat 1233.
WestJet 238, contact Calgary Tower on 118.7.
Contacting Calgary Tower on 118.7, WestJet 238.
Air Transat 1233, reduce speed to 200 knots.
Reduce speed to 200 knots, Air Transat 1233.
WestJet 3579, continuous file, expect the GPS approach runway 35 right of Calgary International.
Roger, WestJet 3579.
Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie, report airport in sight.
Wilco, Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie. Airport in sight, Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie.
Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie, descend and maintain 6000. Air Canada 279 Heavy, turn right heading 160.
Descend and maintain 6000, Delta Romeo.
Airport in sight, WestJet 112.
Turn right heading 160, Air Canada 279 Heavy.
American 139, turn right heading 360, descend and maintain 8000 until established on the localizer. Clear dials runway 35 right approach. Air Transat 1233, turn right heading 250.
Turn right heading 250, Air Transat 1233.
WestJet 2115 is 24 nautical miles west of Turner Valley at 20,600 feet, requesting radar vectors to Calgary International.
Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie, clear visual approach runway 35 right.
Turn right heading 360, descend and maintain 8000, maintain 8000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 35 right, American 139. Maintain current altitude until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 35 right, Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie.
American 139, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 35 left at Calgary International.
Roger, American 139.
American 139, turn right heading 320, descend and maintain 8000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 35 left approach. Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie, contact Calgary Tower on 118.7. Lufthansa Cargo 3 Heavy is 25 nautical miles northeast of Starwood Elk at 18,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 3.
Airport in sight, WestJet 112. Calgary approach, WestJet 1467, with you at 23,000.
WestJet 2115, continue as filed, expect the ILS approach runway 35 left at Calgary International.
Roger, WestJet 2115.
Emirates 15 Romeo Golf Super, continue as filed, expect the GPS approach runway 35 left at Calgary International.
Roger, Emirates 15 Romeo Golf Super.
WestJet 112, turn left heading 020, descend and maintain 6000 until
Turn left heading 020, descend and maintain 6000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 35 left, WestJet 112.
Air Transat 1233, turn right heading 320, maintain 7000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 35 right approach.
Turn right heading 320, maintain 7000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 35 right, Air Transat 1233.
American 139, maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final.
Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final, American 139.
Air Canada 279 Heavy, turn right heading 250.
Turn right heading 250, Air Canada 279 Heavy.
Lufthansa Cargo 3 Heavy, continue as filed, expect the ILS approach runway 35 left at Calgary International. Emirates 15 Romeo Golf Super, correction, stand by. Roger, Lufthansa
WestJet 112, request frequency change.
WestJet 112, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, WestJet 112.
Air Transat 1233, turn right heading 020, maintain 7000 until established. WestJet 112, contact Calgary Tower on 118.7.
Calgary Tower, WestJet 112, inbound on the ILS runway 35 left with information Quebec. WestJet 4532, exit runway 18. WestJet 112, wind 240 at 3. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 35 left, WestJet 112.
Wilco, WestJet 4532.
American 139, wind 240 at 3, number 2, runway 35 left, cleared to land.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 35 left, American 139.
WestJet 4532, cross runway 29.
Crossing runway 29, WestJet 4532.
Calgary Tower, United Eagle 490, ready for departure at runway 29, departing south. WestJet 112, is on final runway 35 left. United Eagle 490, wind 240 at 3, runway 29, cleared for takeoff. Calgary Tower, Air Transat 1233, inbound on the ILS runway 35 right. Cleared for takeoff, run. WestJet 112, roger.
1000.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 35 right, Air Transat 12, WestJet 112, you're already cleared to land, avoid unnecessary reports. I'm sorry, WestJet 112. Calgary Tower, United 491, ready for departure in sequence at runway 29, departing south. United Eagle 490, cancel takeoff clearance, hold position. United Eagle 490, line up and wait runway 29. United 491, hold short at runway 29. Hold in short runway 29, United 491. Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie, exit runway when able, contact ground on the taxiway. Line up and wait runway 29, United Eagle 490.
300.
Wilco, Delta Romeo India Sierra Charlie.
200. 100. 50. 30.
WestJet 112, exit runway when able, cross runway 29 and contact ground. Wilco, WestJet 112.
Calgary Tower, Air Canada 279 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 35 right.
Air Canada 061, hold position.
Holding position, Air Canada 061. Calgary ground, Tango Romeo Alpha Bravo Charlie Super, ready to taxi with information Quebec.
Tango Romeo Alpha Bravo Charlie Super, runway 35 right.
Calgary ground, WestJet 112, request taxi to gate 40 at the concourse B.
WestJet 112, taxi to concourse B gate 40.
Taxiing to concourse B gate 40, will hold short at 1129, WestJet 112.